Now I've lost it. It is hard to control it though, and I have removed all the paint from that area, so maybe if I just, well, actually no, look at this, look. What we actually have here on the back of the knife is that it is rounded, slightly rounded. See that? So you would be talking about filing that, which would make no difference. Guys, one thing I did notice when I was doing that is check out the blade. It does, the cutting edge of the blade doesn't actually start until here. So we have all this. There's about half an inch there wasted, okay, but you could sharpen that out of it, I'm sure. So that was it, guys, just straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. It actually performed. I can't stop now. That is the Glock 78 field knife. I am glad to have this in my collection. It is a cool knife, guys, and it is somewhat capable of bushcraft, as every knife is.